items that we're using are a big chef's knife, knife drop. Thank you, Nick Giovanni, for inspiring. Now, we want a spatula, a big cutting board, and a bowl. Now, we want to do our first step. Guys, the first step is opening the box. Rip it. I'm a beast! Now, we want to cut a little slit open for our lentils so we can open it. And now, we want to put our lentils in our bowl. Now we have all our lentils and break it up. Guys, look, you see how it's all broken up? Now, guys, we want to take our bruschetta. Open up the lid. Open it up. Actually, you can't really open it. So just make a little hole so you can rip it. Ooh, guys, this one is juicy. Put it all in. Tomatoes. Bruschetta is basically tomatoes, guys. Now, guys, we want to put in our second box of bruschetta.